Hey guys, this is just going to be a quick video. Now, I understand that a lot of us have been seeing these for using for cooking or just getting a little lemon juice from the lemon for any meals or anything. When you see this, automatically you want to do what? You want to open this bad boy up and set it in there like that, right? No, that is not the way you use a juicer, because you want to prevent the seeds and you want to get all of the juice to come out. Well, with the juicer, there are holes at the other end. I know it sounds weird, but you want to place your lemon or your lime in backwards. This indentation, of this will push down and squeeze everything out this side. That way you don't have to worry about trying to get the lemons out or get all the juice out. So you want to put it in backwards like this. Put it over your bowl of choice. I'm going to be making me some lemon water, and you want to squeeze down as much as possible. This is going to get all of the juice out of that lemon, and you just keep squeezing, squeezing, squeezing until you get all of your juice out of your lemon. That's the way you use a juicer. I know it just seems like you want to put it in the other way, but you just keep squeezing until you get all the juice you can out of it, and there you have it, some fresh juice, and all of the juice is out of your lemon. Boom. You see that? No seeds or anything is going to go into your drink. I'm going to keep squeezing this to get all that I can out of this bad boy and make me some nice fresh iced lemon water. All right, I hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys later, gators.